Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be opening up a package. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and let me know if there's anything in particular that you would like to see. So I have about 6 or 7 packages that I should be opening, but I'm a little tired, and I figured I would open 3 boxes. I think the first one will just be 1 box in this video, and then the next video is the 2 other packages. So today what I'm opening is a Swagup sample pack, which looks like this. Swagup is a swag like promo goods company, and I was working on a project and I had ordered this, and then it came way after I had already finished the project. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but that's okay. So I think a lot of the stuff in here is branded with goods from previous clients of theirs. So I don't know what exactly is in here or what it's branded with, but I thought that would be part of the surprise. So here's the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and get my box cutter out and open the bottom. And then this is what it looks like. Such a cute box, such cute packaging. So there's a Swagup sticker. It says, "Hey there, thanks for grabbing one of our sample packs. Enjoy the swag. Look forward to working together soon. Best, the Swagup team." So there's a little message postcard. Okay. Ooh. So there's a lot of like Easter paper or whatever, shredded paper. So there's some socks. So maybe everything in here is most likely branded to them. These are really long socks. Oh, so these are designed in Austin and manufactured in North Carolina. Nice. And then there's 2 pens. And the pens were tucked into the strings here. And there's more stickers of swag. This reminds me of the early MTV logo. Here's another sticker. Here's the notebook, which is by Castelli. Ooh, made in Italy. Very nice. So this is basically a moleskin made by somebody else, but very high quality, lined. I love lined paper. And it's cute that there are 2 of these. I think one so it could work as a bookmark on what page you're on, and then one to keep the notebook closed. Ooh. There's a t-shirt in here, which feels very soft. I wonder, I'm like, is this recycled paper in the sense that, are there like old letters on the back? No, it just seems like regular paper. Okay. The only thing about the shredded paper is it causes a lot of dust. Okay, so here's the shirt. This is very soft. It's very thin, but I think it's a men's size. So I would probably wear this as a t-shirt, but I do like it. It's very thin and soft. And then, oh, there's a cool water bottle. I have so many water bottles. And then here, I should show it this way. One giant leap for swag kind. This is very cute. I like it. And I think that's it. So yeah, these were great. Cute water bottle. There's a piece of paper in here. I think it's like information and care instructions. Yeah, I like it. So I think this is a good brand to work with. And I love all the goodies. Very high quality. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here, and then I'm gonna tape the next video. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one. I hope you have a great night, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!